There's no undoing the record that was built through these prosecutions and the accountability that has already been imposed, or the vindication of the rule of law. At the end of the day, January 6th, the prosecutions, the why behind the prosecutions, is we just can't have a system where we get away from votes and deliberation and we go to violence and intimidation. And we've had a number of incidents where you could have had a January 6th-like response after January 6th, and you just haven't seen that. And I think that's in part because people have seen consequences. And regardless of what happens on January 20th, 2025, or any date thereafter, there will always be this accountability. There will always be a public record of what occurred on January 6th, and people who care to know the facts will be able to find out the facts. This is the most recorded crime in the history of the country, in the history since we've had recording devices, right? In many instances, you had defendants recording themselves or writing down what they intended to do before they did it, recording themselves in the midst of criminal conduct and committing criminal conduct in a place that is highly recorded, and then often either recording themselves or taking to social media to brag about what they did afterwards. The evidence is just overwhelming in these cases. As someone who is a career prosecutor, it's rare that you have this much evidence, which is why you're seeing these outcomes.